Welcome to Art Smart with Teacher Precious! Hello! Okay, so ngayon, excited na ba kayo sa ating activity? So, sino sa inyo mahilig mag-doodles or maggawa ng mga simpleng drawings? Okay, alam niyo ba kung anong gagawin natin today? Do you know what we're gonna do today? So, today our art activity is doodling nature. So, bago yan, ipapakita ko muna kung ano yung mga gagamitin nating materials sa araw na to. So, the basic materials are watercolor cake, and then 2 water containers, paint brushes, cotton buds, some watercolor paper. Today, I will be teaching you how to use the brush properly. We'll learn about sitting brush and standing brush. Tsaka, we'll learn about wet on dry technique. So first, let's practice a sitting brush and a standing brush. So ordinary paper muna, scratch paper lang tayo. Okay, so choose a brush. Kuha ako ng paintbrush. First, let's do a sitting brush. Ano ba yung sitting brush? Okay, so first, wet your paintbrush. So choose a color, maybe I'll choose red. And then try to swirl it 5 to 10 times para lumambot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, let's try to make a sitting brush. So, sitting brush, you will press your paintbrush sa paper like this. And then, stroke kayo. Yan, makapal. Yan, kulang yung paint ko. Sit. Yan, parang siyang nakaupo. Parang naka-sit down yung brush. Yan, tapos, stroke nyo siya. Yan, di ba makapal? So, that's your sitting brush. Okay, now naman, let's try to do a standing brush. Okay, so standing brush, you will try to let the brush stand on the paper. Okay, try not to put too much pressure. Kailangan hindi madiin, ha? So again, get some paint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this time, I'm using the same brush, but this time, you will let it stand. Parang ganito siya, oh. Patayo lang. Ayan lang siya. Patayo. Okay? Dahan-dahan. Parang nag-ice skating. Parang nag-figure skating yung paintbrush sa paper. Look. Standing brush, ha? Tingnan nyo. Oops. 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 Can you practice this? Okay, what can you notice? Mas thin siya. So what we want today to get this, okay, is we'll do a sitting brush. Dapat gentle lang. Okay, are you ready to make some doodle drawings like this? And so we'll be using watercolor paper this time. Gagamitin ko na yung aking watercolor paper. Okay, for this one, usually yung watercolor paper 200 GSM, but ang gamit ko dito is 300 GSM. Makapal siya, oh. Okay, now, sige. Start tayo gumawa ng mga doodles. Let's start to make some flowers. Petals first. Ayan. So, look. Ayan. Tingnan nyo tong brush ko. Dirty na tong water. Nakita nyo? Dirty na. And then, wash it here. Now, let's see. I want to make some orange flowers. I'll swirl here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pag hindi pa masyado, ulit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ayan. Okay. Let's try to make some small ovals lang. Look. 1, 2. Look, very gentle. I'm doing standing brush. 3, 4. Pwedeng 4, pwedeng 5 petals. Try to make it round. Yan. And then sa watercolor, instead of, hindi siya parang crayon. It's not like crayon. Try to dab gently. Yan. And then if you want to add more color, let's say, may glare ba? Yan. If you want to add more color, let's say one red. Dab nyo lang sa red. Look, gentle lang. Dab. And then look, dab nyo lang din siya. Hindi nyo kailangan i-rub. Look. Dab, dab, dab. Yan, di ba? Nakita niyo na red yung gitna. The middle is red. But don't try to mix it because it's wet. It will blend and mix on its own. Yan. And then try to clean it. So, kunwari, medyo may lagpas-lagpas. If you don't have paint today, you can use crayons, you can use your markers. Okay? Just follow the shape and the silhouette. Okay? You can use markers if you don't have paint today. Yan. If medyo lagpas-lagpas, tingnan nyo mas madali gumamit ng cotton bud. Kung lagpas yung inyong drawing. So, just wet your cotton bud. Wet it, wet. Kunwari yan, lagpas. Get some paint. And then look, fix natin to. Trace, outside. Yan. Kung nahihirapan kayo sa paintbrush. Now, we have one flower. Okay. So, ito yan. Let's make another one. I'll try to make another one using yellow naman. Yellow, I'll wash. Pwede rin itong cotton bud. Tingnan nyo. Yellow naman. Yellow. Yellow. Ay, sorry. Hindi pakita. Yellow. Yan. And let's try longer one. Pahaba naman. 1, 2. You can experiment. And then, just try na huwag niyong pagdikit-dikitin. Kasi we're doing a wet on dry technique. That means, wet paint on dry paper. Yan. Yan. Wet nyo lang. Ito naman mas pahaba. Diba? Okay. Pwede nyo rin lagyan ng red sa gitna. Look. 1 dot. Here. Let's make another one. Diba? Gawa kong 3. Gagawa kong 3. Purple naman. I don't have purple. I'll just use blue and try ko naman gumamit ng pwede nyo rin gawin, outline nyo lang with the cotton bud. And then, use a paintbrush to fill in the inner parts. Okay, try na ako gumamit ng paintbrush. Blue naman. This time, look, if you have a smaller brush, better. If you use a smaller brush, kasi you can use a smaller brush for smaller areas. You can mix colors, so I'll add some red din naman. Diba? Ayan. So we let this dry. We will let it dry first. Ayan. Okay? Okay, how's your work? Kamusta naman yung mga gawa nyo? Nakagawa po ba? Nakagawa ng flowers? How many flowers did you make? How many flowers did you make? Yan, cotton bud na lang. Gawa tayo ng isa pa. Yellow dito sa ilalim. Yan. Gawa lang tayo ng flower. Yellow din. Ito man, orange din yung gitna. Cotton bud lang gamit. Next, let's make a different style for the flowers. Okay, not only oval. Look, yun yung ginawa ko. Diba? Pwede rin ganito. This one, I painted it first. When it's dry, saka ko nilagyan ng markers. Try natin tulips naman. Tulips. Mga ganito. Okay? Okay. Try natin. Let's see. I'm gonna make pink. I don't have pink. I only have red. So, I'll mix red. Wash it here. Get water. Put it here. Yan. So, sa watercolor, if you add more water, mas maglalighten siya. So, for the tulip, make a letter U. Letter U. Parang ganyan. Letter U. Standing brush tayo. Remember, use a standing brush to make thin lines. Letter U. And then, look. Lagyan nyo lang din sa gitna ng ganyan. Yan. Yan. Here. And then, you can add some paint here. Look, dadab ko lang. Dab. Dab means tutuldukan nyo lang yung basang part. You will not rub it. You will not scratch it. Look. Dab. And then yan. Pwede nyo siyang i-tilt yung paper. Look. Diba? Dagdagan pa natin dito. Diba? And then let it dry. Mamaya it will blend. Magmimix siya mag-isa. Then wash the dirty water. Wash in a clean water. Okay, I'll make a new one. Try ko naman pink and yellow. Okay, sige, I'll use cotton buds to see. Check nyo, mas madali kasi talaga yung control. Pink naman. Sige, letter B, letter U. Isa sa gitna. This time, I will use yellow naman, yellow. Yellow. Mix with some yellow sa tip. Dip. And dip. Sige, I'll use to blue. Yun. Blue. Dito naman. Wala nang space eh. There. After you. Pwede gawin nyo pang mas ganito. Ito. Ang ganyang shape. And some purple. Red. Do you know how to make purple? We mix blue and... Yeah. If you don't have crayons, you can use markers. Dito ko naman sa baba ilalagay. Yan. Dab lang. Diba? I'm not mixing it. Because it's wet, it will mix on its own. Then we let it dry. Papatuyuin nyo lang ito. So we'll make a new set. Before we add the details, we have to let it dry. Bakit natin siya kailangan patuyuin? Why do we have to let it dry before we add other details like the stem? Bakit? Because it mixed up. Magmi-mix yung colors. So we don't want that. Gusto natin mag-dry muna siya. So we let it dry first. Okay, we'll make a new pattern. Look, you can do this. Okay, or you can do this or this one. Yeah. For this time, we'll try to use cotton buds. If not, you can use your fingers too. If not, you can use cotton buds. Pakita ko muna yung cotton buds. We'll try to make this. This pretty flower like a dandelion. Okay. Okay, try ko muna ibang color naman. Itong orange. Orange. Okay, look, I wet it first and then swirl. Okay, so now we'll make some dots. Tingnan nyo Dot, dot, dot. Yan. Yan. And then another one. Okay, sa gilid naman. Ano? Okay, practice lang Sometimes if your work is not, some of you might not be happy with your work. Baka yung iba sa inyo hindi natuwa masyado sa gawa nyo. So, practice ulit. Next, fingers naman. If you don't have cotton buds, you can use your fingers. A finger. So, wet. I'll use blue naman. Itong blue. Finger. Kaso yung finger mas hindi bilog Look, finger. Oops. Oops. Ba't bilog siya Mas mataba lang kasi yung finger ko. Gawa tayo ng bilog. Yan. O, diba pwede rin finger? I also have a tissue handy so that you can wipe in case you get messy. Try naman natin paintbrush. Mas mahirap lang yung paintbrush i-control. Later, we will add the lines using a pencil or a marker. Okay, gawa tayo ng dandelion na ganito. Gawa ko rito ng dandelion naman. Okay, dots, 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 dots. And you can experiment. Yan muna. Then we let it dry. We can put a yellow here. Yellow dot. Yung cotton bud. Tada! Pwede nyo rin lagyan ng konti. Okay na yan. Sigit na. Okay, now, I'll go back to our work earlier, yung gawa natin kanina. Look! Check nyo first check if it's dry. See, if it's dry, kagaya nito, medyo dry na. Yan, medyo dry na. Maybe we can use a marker. You can also use cotton bud, the green if you want. Tingnan nyo Yan. Now, we'll just add the stem. Look at what I did here. Nag-add lang ako ng grass actually sa likod. Pwede nyo din lagyan ng grass. Pero next time na. So, gawan lang natin ng stem. Look, from here hanggang sa baba. Straight line. And then here. Oops. Up. Then another line here. Yeah. Tapos ito. Look, tingnan nyo to ah. Look here. Because this stem will be behind this flower. Look. And stop. And you can make a new one here. Pwede rin color green if you have green markers. Tingnan nyo paano mag-add ng grass. So, cotton brush lang din gamit ko or cotton buds. Okay, and then from the edge of the paper, mula sa labas ng paper, look. Parang kayo nag-check. Check, check, check. Ayan, para check, check. And dry brush. Ayan, yan lang. Kita ba? Kita naman. Ayan, di ba? Here, you can even add a butterfly. Lagyan ko lang ng isang butterfly. Ayan. Next. Ito medyo, you can put it outside to dry. Okay? This time, pwede akong gumamit ng green na lang. Green. Tingnan nyo to ha. You'll draw. Hindi ko na lang papadaanan kasi basa pa. It's still wet. And then look, pababa. Slanted line, diagonal line, pababa. Curved line. Curved line, pababa. Kita ba? Then this one, ganun din. You can use different colors. Yan. And then usually sa baba, dapat mas makapal. You can make this bottom part a bit thicker. Next, ito naman. Maybe, then you can put dots. And then the stem. Okay, sige. Last na to. Yeah, I'll just add some lines here. There! So here's my painting. And this one, the other one. Tapos na ba kayo? Are you finished? Okay, alright. So, thank you for joining us today. So, tulad ng mga nakita nyo, lahat tayo ay may kaya-kayang mag-painting. Okay? So, huwag matatakot dahil maraming iba-ibang techniques ang pwede nyo pang ma-explore. So, thank you so much, everyone. Bye-bye! Thank you!
Know your art, be art smart.